Bomulunze mwozo ekenekwe munu. Omuwa bedu munu woke na one woke. Yeah, but most times we the Igbos we the F up big time. As in, I'm still trying to figure out how some people really feel. How do you feel that you're joining hands or forces with somebody trying to bring your fellow Igbo person down? As in, sometimes I feel pain when I see many Igbo people see someone tarnishing, insulting, doing everything possible to bring down an Igbo person. Many Igbo people will be joining hands, will be supporting the person, chanting the person's praise, making it look like the person has opened their eyes to know that their Igbo brother or sister is a bad person.